political storm now having erupted in Karnataka over the tragic stampede that claimed over 10 lives during the RCB's victory procession. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah quickly jumped in damage control mode, dismissing BJP's remarks as political opportunism and urging against exploiting the tragedy for partisan gain. The BJP, meanwhile, launched a scathing attack with State Chief B.Y. Vijayendra, claiming that the blood was on the Congress's hands, blaming Sidda and DKS for photo ops while innocents died, and also calling it a stampede and calling it a state-orchestrated homicide. So he's demanded a criminal case and a judicial probe into this matter. Now, the Congress top brass has called for a review of the safety protocols. Rahul Gandhi has stated that no celebration is worth human lives. On the other hand, Priyanka Gandhi has urged the Karnataka government and the party workers to assist the victims and their families. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also echoed the similar sentiments, warning that the joy of victories should never come at the cost of lives. Let's take a look at some of the reactions that have come into the story so far.
I have spoken to the police commissioner and all the people. I'm also going a little late to the hospital because now a lot of trouble is there. I don't want to disturb the doctors who are trying to take care of the patients. And only the exact number is not been still this one. So we are at it. We appeal to all of them to still to be calm. Just now from the Vidhan Soda, I had to bring the secretary and the president in my vehicle. The crowd was so much. So
sir, questions are being raised whether adequate arrangements.
We had arranged more than 5,000. It is a young, vibrant crowd. This is we can't use our lathi.
The capacity of the stadium was 33,000. The people gathered there were more than 3 to 4 lakh. And there was a stampede. And if the administration was not alert, it could have been a bigger tragedy. The government has clearly said we have ordered a magisterial inquiry within 15 days. We'll inquire, we'll fix responsibilities. If anyone is found guilty of not performing their duties the way they should have done it, then there will be an action on that.
The police yesterday, as far as my information goes, they said within a day we cannot arrange this. Because of the political pressure from the government, that has they were forced to accord the permission. 3 people are already dead. But in spite of that, celebration was going on in front of Vidhan Soda. After that, celebration was done in Chinnaswamy Kridangan, Chinnaswamy Stadium. तो क्या इतना भी सेंस नहीं है सरकार को ये बंद करा के श्रद्धांजलि करके और अभी सब कर्नाटका स्टेट क्रिकेट बोर्ड के ऊपर डालने का कोशिश चल रहा है.
Who wants this credit? RCB win. The government want to credit. CM, Deputy CM, Minister, they want to credit. Because of their credit, we lost Karnataka, 11 people lost their life. You want the credit, na? You take the responsibility. Your no ambulance, no fire engine, no security. Your labs, where is the law and order?
उधर कितना लोग जाना चाहिए था, कितनों को छोड़ना चाहिए था. पुलिस नहीं देके, सरकार नहीं देखा, ज़्यादा लोगों को छोड़ा, इसी से स्टैम्पेड हुआ. हम खंडन करते हैं. सरकार टोटली फेल है. सरकार इस्तीफा देना चाहिए. एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं. ये सरकार नहीं रहना चाहिए. ऐसा माहौल कर्नाटक में बन गए हैं. कल हम IPL जीते, आज हम शोक मना रहे हैं. ये सरकार का जिम्मेदारी था, जिम्मेदारी नहीं निभाया.
He gives an open invitation, knowing fully well the frenzy of the crowd of the fans. And he gives this open invitation without making adequate security arrangement, safety arrangement, and crowd management protocols in place. What happened? A massive stampede. You can't blame RCB, you can't blame Virat Kohli, you can't blame the fans today. If there is one person responsible, it is the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister who wanted to hog undeserving limelight and made this an entire family function of the Congress leaders there.
सरकार जो कदम उठाना चाहिए उसमें फेल्यूर था.
बिल्कुल कर्नाटक सरकार उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया। उस पर अंदर जाकर प्लेयर के साथ फोटो उतारने में जितने भी ध्यान था, बाहर प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी देने में कर्नाटक सरकार विफल था। इस पे मैं जो भी देहांत हो गए, मैं उनको कंडोलेंस व्यक्त करता हूं, मगर कर्नाटक सरकार इस पे पूरा जांच करना चाहिए और जिम्मेदारी मुख्यमंत्री लेना चाहिए।
It is one of the unfortunate, very sorrowful development. But actually, government, if they would have taken proper security, this kind of thing would have not happened.
ये ट्रेजेडी हुआ ये सरकार के वास्ते, क्योंकि उनको पहले क्या हो रहा है, लोग कितने जम रहे हैं, क्या मेजरमेंट लेना है, वो कुछ पता नहीं। ये इनका ये गलती से ये हुआ है, पूरा फेल्यूर।